Formulas in tables are very easy to set up. However, they're not used that often because people don't actually know that they exist. So let's have a look at our garden objects table here. What we've done, we've extracted some block information from the drawing and we've put it into a table. So we've got the names of the blocks, the views if there are any, and the quantity of the blocks in the drawing. So you can see there that we have one rev symbol, 2 clumps of trees, 2 metric trees, 14 small shrubs and 15 normal shrubs. All I want to do is add up the quantity of blocks in the drawing. Now what I'm going to do is double click in this field here. So I double click like so, and as you can see there, my table cell appears. Now all I've done is select that there once. If I double click again, you'll notice I can't actually edit it. Notice the lock symbol, it's all locked at the moment. So what I need to do is select all of this information here, like so. And you'll notice there, I need to hover over it and just drag, and it selects all of it. I then right click, and I need to unlock it. I go to locking here on the shortcut menu and unlock the content. Now when I double click, you'll notice I can edit that information. If I just tab there, it adds another row to my table. Now this is where I can start adding information. Now what I want to do here is I want to merge these two cells here first of all. So I'm going to highlight these two cells here. Now to do that, I don't want to be double clicked and editing information like so. But what I will do, let's put some information in first. I want to put total blocks. So that's my total number of blocks. So I'll leave that information in there. And what I'll do, I'll close that now, like so, and close the text editor. Then I highlight these two cells here. I need to merge them. That's up here on the merge panel. I click merge cells, and those two I'm going to merge by row. And as you can see there now, there's one cell there made up of two. So the two cells have joined together to form that total blocks cell. What I'm going to do there as well is I need to change the justification of my text. So I'll double click in there, highlight the text, justification, and I want, it's not middle center, I want middle right over there like that. And again, close and close text editor. So I've got my cells all set up in my table now, ready to tell me total number of blocks. So I need to add this column here. So I double click in here, like so, and I need to add a formula there. So what I need to do is add a formula into that cell. So I right click. Is there any way of putting a formula in there? No, there isn't. So if I click on tools here, like so, or options, where would it be? I've got columns, insert, paragraph, formatting, and style. It's not actually there, or is it? We need to check where it is. In order to select a cell to apply a formula to it, you must only select the cell once. So you can see here, look, if I click once, it highlights the cell like that. So I click here on total blocks. I then go, notice I've got table cell come up on the ribbon there. I go to insert, and I go to formula. And I can add a sum, an average, a count, a cell, or an equation. So I can pick another cell to take that value and put that value into the total block cell. I don't want to do that. What I want to do is I want to sum this group of cells here. So I left click and I drag and release and click again. Notice now it puts sum C3 to C9. So there's column C. C3 is there, which begins at the 1. C9 is there, which goes down to 15. So if I now click on close and close the text editor, you will see there that it adds up the total number of blocks. If I hit escape there now, total number of blocks is 50, and I've got the background masking there to show me that I've added a formula into my AutoCAD table.